Jonan Luleti, Loda Rai Pulida, Kikamna de Loka Judicial Service Commission, Isabu Kolim Daebe, Arataki Iyemuto, Kes de Ras Etochi, Luda Inwaketa, Kironwegi Tigitan, Iswamanoris Kidding, Otunga Litosomite Adieket, Nepipekerida, Atubok Luda Ituleste, Aswamsine, Kotomnada, Adieketa Kano.
I want you to report about court cases so that they are out there. When a case is followed, it is easy for everyone to see that indeed justice is being done. The media, you are the eyes of the people, you are the camera for everyone to see. So always be involved, get involved about issues happening at court. Do not fear court. Make sure you approach these judicial officers and tell them to help you in whichever way they can. Now to the judicial officers, we encourage you to help our media people because they are part of the public. They are a different set of the public. Avail them the information they need, avail them the help they need. Teach them how they should report. Teach them the different rules, especially the rules against subjudice, against defamation.
Maria Teresa Naluvia, Koraida na yata kironukada iwe ya kirokotom no riongat loka Judicial Service Commission, nesta buko limda ibe, herai kachepelu, lokada itutuar arataki Iyemuto, tete kenye perote ajenun, epeneluda itolosia eriongat loka Judicial Service Commission ipelun ke.
Today we have had an engagement, a media awareness program with media people in Kabiramaido district. It has been the very first one of its kind, and mainly we have been discussing with the media on how they can work with the commission in the improvement of administration of justice in Uganda, how to report when they are talking about issues, and generally understanding the Judicial Service Commission mandate and how they can help us in regards to complaints on the performance of courts and conduct of our officers there.
Keja nguldam arotak Iyemuto kwapenat Monica Adongo nepepeke de Vincent Olota kesda pot kolim daebe adum tukwana kesi achube unada bet engarain kesi itoleste akechiswamsine ko wailo kairot Iyemuto kotomnada Adieket.
I've been a bit confused. I was not understanding anything, but today I'm now open. I can access myself into courts of law and do each and everything openly.
The only thing we are going to do to see that Uganda move on without a problem is journalists and then the judiciary to work without corruption, to actually be friendly and then do things openly.
Lodera Polo Kinton Ajakanuto Kotomno District Loko Kabiramaido, John Stephen Kasada, Nesta Buko Limda Barai na Kirotna Kajokan, Kanuka Nyundaibe, Edumneta Arataki Iyemuto, Iwaitin Kere, Lusamatar Adieketa, Teteken Epedote Airot Ikeche Iyemuto da Kojokan.
People can take anything, but I know this one can be streamlined. And it is good that you have invited them here so that they know exactly what to go through court and even the procedure that they can also know.
Michael Onyinge, TV East, Kabiramaido District.